Hey y'all, so I am about to get ready to do some micro links on my hair that I got from Ywigs. So I'm about to show y'all how this turned out. Right now my hair is like, this is old hair, like this is my hair after like a week. It's been like a week of me just laying on it and just doing nothing. But I am more of like a, I don't know, because I get the curl patterns confused. Hopefully this will zoom in, but there we go. So I have different types of curls around my head, but I wet this back part just so y'all can kind of like see like what it's giving. I don't know, I feel like I'm more of a 4B, but I'm not really completely sure because I have different curl patterns all around my head. Because like, as y'all can see, this one is like a tighter curl, but then I have like bigger curls too around my head. So I don't know, I always get confused when it comes to the whole 4A 4B 4C argument. But this is the bag that it came in. I did see that a couple of people received like tools in their bag. I did not receive any tools in my bag. All I received was just the hair and care instructions, which I feel like everybody sends these days. But this is the bag that they came in. If I can open it up for y'all to see. I just recently dyed my hair jet black, so I'm about to dye these jet black just so I can make sure they match all the way. I got 18-inch because I didn't want to risk, you know, it not, I didn't want to risk it not blending right. So because my real hair is about like a 14. I don't know, I have different lengths around my head, but this is what we're looking like right here. And I feel like it should blend really well with my hair. So I'm excited. This is what the 18-inch, this is where this falls on me. And then of course like up here it'll follow like this. So I'm thinking it's gonna be like a cute little, it's gonna give cute afro feel. I don't know, so we'll see. So I'm finna color this hair. I got 2 bundles and each one has and I got the kinky curly too, just so y'all can know, because there's different types. But yeah, I got the 18-inch kinky curly and I got 2 bundles because the videos that I watched, people were saying like they didn't even use the full 2 bundles. I saw a video where somebody only used 1. I'm using both bundles of these hair. Is getting in my head because I like big hair. So finna show y'all what we looking like. I will be back when I start the process. Toodaloo.
This is the user part. What's up with the part? What are you doing? He's like, here. Look at the ground. Look at the other. Look at the yeah, and it's really like everywhere. So you gotta be crazy not to do, just not to do something to make it more extendable, more comfortable, more impact. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, 2 things on our sleeve, y'all. A few things. Hello. Yep, this is a good ride, y'all. I think
Okay y'all, so I am back. I just freshly washed my hair so that I can be able to you know, so I can see right. So this is my hair texture. I do have fine textured hair, you guys, so I will be doing this on fine textured hair. I'm trying to zoom in so y'all can see my curls. This is what my curls look like. This is the length of my hair. Just so y'all can know that too prior to install. But yeah, this is what I'm looking like. So I'm about to part my hair and stuff like that, but let me show y'all. So I just finished dyeing the hair, so now it's jet black, and I feel like it's finna go pretty well with my hair, as y'all can see. I feel like it's finna go really well, so I will be back probably to show y'all how I parted my hair, but be back. I look a hot mess, y'all. I can't believe I'm on camera like this, but anywho, bye bye, see you later. Okay, y'all, so I am back. I have one full bundle in right now, and it's not defined or nothing yet, so I just wanted to show y'all this is it with one bundle. I haven't, hopefully it's showing in the back, but this is what I'm looking like. And y'all, with my fine textured hair, it was very hard. It was very hard to fit this bundle in here, y'all, because I have low density hair. So it was hard trying to fit this bundle, but I like big hair, and so I'm trying to make it as full as possible. But this is what we're looking like so far. So I'm gonna come back when I'm done, and then I'm gonna show y'all what everything looking like. So see y'all later. Be back. Okay, y'all, so I am back, and here is the final results. This is everything just wet. So as y'all can see, it blends pretty well with my hair, which I'm happy about. I can of course like add some gel in here and stuff like that if I want on my hair to like slick it down some more, but as of right now I'm fine. But like this my hair right there, and then this is like the link, so as you can see blends pretty well. So I didn't really wet the back much, so that's why the back is a little shorter, but I like it. I like it. Oh, this is what I got left. So y'all, it was so hard. It was so hard trying to stuff all that, both of those bundles in there. Like, I don't see how anybody is getting any more than 2 bundles in their head with Microlinks. But then again, I have low density hair, so maybe if you have higher density, then you can fit more in your head. But I had this left, so pretty much each bundle comes in like 4 little bundles, and each of those little bundles have like 25-ish in each one of those. And so I just have this last bundle left. So I fit as many in there as I can. Some of them, like I said, about 4 of them I had to throw away because the loop came off or because I messed something up, because I could not see the back of my head. So yeah, but of course, you know, I can put this up. I didn't put a part over here. I did a side part on this side because this is the side I normally wear my parts on, and then I did a middle part. So, but of course, you know, if I just wanted to, I could just do like a flip over method or whatever, because my hair is out everywhere. So I could do a flip over method, or, you know, I can put it up, which I did not wet the back of my head, so I'm finna show y'all the back, but I don't know what the back look like right now. So, but I'm just finna show y'all how it's looking. So yeah, that's what we're looking like. But I would say my only downfall is that because I have low density hair, I didn't want to leave out too much hair, so I left out just enough. But then I didn't get a chance to do like a part like across the middle so that I could do a half up, half down. So that's the only thing that sucks, but I'll make it work. But I love it. I like this hair. What y'all think? What do y'all think? I like it. I like it. I need to dress it up, of course, but then I need to put my lashes on and all of that. So, but I definitely think, I'm trying to think, and then I'm looking at a mirror behind me too, y'all. So of course this side over here has more, no, this side over here has more links than this one because I put that side part over here. So it's a little bit off with links, but this is what, of course, this middle part is not all the way straight, but you get the drift. This is what we're looking like with the middle part. I feel like I need to dry this and diffuse it, but I don't feel like doing all that tonight, so y'all won't see that tonight. But and then this is it, like that. I like that. That's cute. I feel like it definitely does look like my hair. So I don't know, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. I definitely like it. I think, oh, one more thing. The only thing is, I feel like it would have been great. Oh, I can see that link. I feel like it would have been great if this hair was a little kinkier. Like if it had a yucky texture to it instead of a silky texture. Since, you know, it's supposed to mimic black hair, if that makes sense. Well, I ain't gonna say that because every black person doesn't have a yuckier texture, but I wish they had one that had more of a yuckier texture, because I feel like if I had this curl pattern with a little yuckier texture, this would literally be perfect, like literally. But I love it. I can't wait to play with it and do some more things with it. But yep, this is what we looking like. So I can come back and update y'all on how the maintenance and stuff is. Now, I take care of my hair, y'all, on a regular. So I definitely feel like this is definitely one of those styles that you definitely have to be okay with taking care of your hair on a regular. So that won't be an issue for me because I do that anyway. But yeah, and I probably will not be flat ironing this because I literally bought these so that I can wear my natural curls. I'm not trying to be flat ironing. I really don't flat iron my hair much because, like I said, I have fine textured hair, and I ain't got time for no heat damage. So I ain't got time for no heat damage. So yep. But guess I'll go ahead in this video. I hope y'all liked it. If y'all want to see me do styles and stuff with it, let me know. But yep, this is what we're looking like. I'm gonna have to fix this. This needs some more water, some more leave-in or something. I don't know. But yep, we're done here. We're done here. Oh Lord, now I'm looking like Michael Jackson. Help me, Jesus. Okay. I'm finna let y'all go so I can eat.